video and the first video of 2022, so happy new year. Today I am really excited because I am tackling one of my goals for this year, which is organizing all the spaces in my home that really frustrate me, and every time I go in there and it's just a mess, and then I leave the area in a bad mood and it's just not what I want in my life anymore. So instead of dealing and living with life like that, I am going to try and organize it. So today we are tackling one of those spaces, or at least my goal is to tackle one of those spaces. We'll see how it ends up going. Today is the cleaning closet / junk closet downstairs. It frustrates me so much every time I go in there and I have to pull everything out and then don't find what I need. So yeah, that is today's goal. I did order a couple of things from Amazon that ideally will help me organize this space. So I will show you those things in a second, but I did not measure anything before ordering this stuff. So take that as you will. But let's go ahead and I will show you all the things I bought, and then we can get to organizing that space and hopefully get one thing checked off my list of things I want to accomplish. Everything in here is from Amazon, as you can tell from the tape. But the first thing I'm going to pull out is the thing I'm most nervous about, and it is the shelf unit we're about to build. I don't know if it's going to be big enough, but this is it. It's supposed to be adjustable, which is why I picked this one, so I could make it as long or short as I wanted it to be, but I think this is what I'm definitely most nervous about. And then the next thing / last thing I have in here for this space is some woven rope baskets, which I am hoping to put near our little bar cart area if they fit. Once again, didn't measure, but fingers crossed that they work. So that concludes this extremely short haul of stuff I bought for the space. Let's go ahead and get to building our 3-tier tower because, like I said, I'm kind of nervous about how this is gonna go. All right, cabinet is built. It is not exactly adjustable like I was thinking, but that's my own fault for not actually reading how it's adjustable. I was thinking you could stretch the length of the shelves, but no, you can just adjust where the shelves go placement-wise. So, oopsie on my end, but not that big of a deal. Hopefully they still work. I thought it would be fun if I went ahead and tried to do the coffee cart thing and organize that just so we can see how long it takes my husband to realize they're there. I'll keep it updated if he ever notices during any point in this vlog, but right now, let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna open those. All right, so lunch intermission is officially over. Now I am going to go ahead and start working on our cleaning closet, I guess. I don't know. It's honestly just like a bunch of cleaning supplies and junk that I don't know where else it should go. Usually just goes in here, and it drives me crazy because I can't find anything when I need it and stuff just falls out of the closet. I'll go ahead and show you a quick close-up clip right now so you can see what I'm dealing with. But yeah, it's kind of just a mess and things are just thrown into it, and it's just not what I would like to continue to deal with, and it kind of stresses me out. So that's why we're working on it today. But on a quick side note, my husband during our lunch noticed the baskets, so That didn't last very long, but you know what? At least he noticed. So, doing good. Gonna go ahead and I guess empty everything out first. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Mission accomplished. It looks better in there and I feel like I can manage getting stuff in and out. I guess I will catch y'all next time in a new video. Bye!